Hello everyone, welcome to this question or example where we are required to expand and simplify each of the following products. So let's zoom in on the first example where we are given this. So I'm going to apply the expansion distributive law of multiplication. So I will have this x square multiplying by y square. They will give me x square y square. I will have them multiplying by 2x cubed positive 2x power 5. Okay, because there are 5 of the x times x times x times x times x 5 times x power 5. Something to take note of, okay? Negative 3y multiplied by y square, negative 3y cubed. Negative 3y multiplied by 2x cubed, negative 6. There's x cubed, there's y. And since there is no more like terms, this will be the final answer. Okay? Let's move on to part B. Again, applying the distributive law. This time round, there is the only complicated part or the difficulty level that has increased is that we are dealing with algebraic fractions. So just be mindful. When we multiply fraction, algebraic fractions or numeral fractions, the numerator multiplied by numerator, so in this case is my x squared multiplied by 2x, they will give me 2x cubed over 4 multiplied by 3, 12. Continue. And you will see that this will be x squared multiplied by negative, positive multiplied by negative. You will see me writing the fraction as negative. The numerator will be x squared y over 4 times 2 will be 8. Now is the other fraction that I'm going to multiply them to. So negative multiplied by positive, you will get a negative fraction. Again, it is the numerator multiplied by numerator. In this case, 4x over denominator multiplied by denominator 15 y square negative multiplied by negative will give me positive. Numerator multiplied by numerator, this will be 2y. Denominator multiplied by denominator 10y square. And from here, we are going to apply what we have learned about simplifying algebraic fractions. But before that, I do see that the very first term here, I can divide by 2, left 1, divide by 2, left 6. Okay? And I can also divide by 2, left 1 for this last term here, divide by 2, left 5. Okay, so now the next part here is then to combine into a single fraction for this whole list of expression, which I'm going to share with you how to do it. First of all, I'm going to draw a long line because I'm going to make them into a single fraction. I will need a common denominator. Okay, and looking at the numbers 6, 8, 15, and 5, the LCM of 6, 8, 15, 5 would be 120. Okay, so this means that I also see that there is a y square down there. So I would need the y square as well. So once I have ascertained the lowest common multiple of 6, 8, 15, and 5, then I could then know what to multiply with to make them equivalent already. I will have to multiply by 20, multiplied by 20, so that, and also the y square. So that on top here would be 20 x cubed y square minus, I will have to multiply by 15 y square so that this one will become 15 x square y cubed minus, this one I will have to multiply by 8 to give me 32x, and the last one I will have to multiply by 24 to give me 24y. And that will be the answer for this particular question. Alright, and with that we have come to the end of this part of the video, and let's move on to the next part of the video.